Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix email verification code Apple ID problem. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're having the issue that your verification code is not receiving on your email or Gmail, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So very first you have to double check your network connection because it might be your network issue, so you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times, or you can also try to switch between your Wi-Fi or cellular data. So you have to make sure that you are connected to stable connection. Then go back, open the settings, go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you're connected, try to disconnect with that, and after that you just have to go back, and then you have to go to date and time settings, and you have to make sure that you have set automatically option has been enabled and your iPhone. Then go back, and from here you have to update your software. So go for software updates and try to update your software, and once you have done, if you're still having the same issue, so now you can try to offload your mail apps. Open setting, go for general, go for iPhone storage, and look for your mail app. Here my Gmail app, open that, tap on offload app, and now after offloading you have to tap on reinstall app. Simply tap on reinstall. It will fix if there will be any bug into your Gmail app or email app. And after that, if you're still having the same issue, so it might be that you have received the code on your Gmail but it is not showing in your app. It might be your app glitch. So you can use your browser here. Open your browser and you have to try to log in with your Gmail here. So simply tap on sign in and use Gmail in your browser, or if you're still facing the same issue that your code has not been received, so you just have to open your Sport app, or you can use Apple Sport Web. Select your iPhone, select more option, select App Store, and then you just have to tap on get more help, tap on call us. Now you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there, and in this way your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.